Since 1980, Geospace Technologies has been developing innovative products for seismic data acquisition as a part of the oil and gas industry's global search for more energy. Since inception, the Geospace Technologies engineering team has planned an innovative cableless seismic acquisition system. We make seismic data systems that go to the ocean floor, so they need to be tight tolerance and be able to withstand pressures of the ocean. So we make a lot of things out of titanium and special plastics to be able to withstand the environment of the ocean. And then we also manufacture sensors that detect seismic waves. Programming used to be a difficult and sore subject for us here. We now have a much easier way of getting things programmed, especially whenever we have a machine that's particularly busy with a part. So now we can go back to ESPRIT, open it up, repost to a new machine, and get running machining right away. We looked at many different CAM companies to find one that worked best for us, and we found that ESPRIT had the most versatile system, the one that could help us accomplish programming all of our different parts across all of the different types of machines we have. We've been using it for roughly 6 to 8 months and help us do a wide variety of different parts here. So we chose that because it was able to help us do specifically our multi-turret machines. The onboarding process with ESPRIT was very simple. We told them all the machines we had, that we were going to need post-processors for each of them, and the types of parts that we made. And within a few days, we had a post-processor, we had training scheduled, and we were ready to go. Using ESPRIT has had a big impact on our production here in the machine shop. We were able to hit higher production rates, vastly lower cycle times, and help us save a lot of money in doing so. Before, when we were running our parts, we were generally running with lathe operations, op 1 and 2, and then with a few mill operations. So a single part could run up to 5 machines, depending on its complexity. Now with ESPRIT, we're able to program it and run it on our much more capable Millturn machines with dual spindles and multiple turrets, so now we can do them all in one. Before buying ESPRIT, we had to do a lot of things manually. We did have another software, but it wasn't robust enough to handle all the different types of machining that we do. So once we had it, we started using it and noticed the benefit right away. Now, if we wanted to run a new type of tooling, we can run that simulation and see how it would look in real time. Before, we would have to stop production, put a new tool in the machine, try it out, and that could take a half day to a day, depending on what we were trying to accomplish and test. Originally, we were running this part across a few machines, and now we were able to run it on our triple turret machine. That's a Citizen Miyano ABX-51. With ESPRIT, we were able to drop down our cycle time from 22 minutes down to 6.5 minutes. Our partnership with Shape Design Technologies will continue to grow. As we acquire new equipment, we'll use ESPRIT to program more and more parts and continue to get our cost savings.